Learn everyday kitchen utensils words with simple sentences. Let's start. Spoon. I use spoon to drink soup. Fork. I eat with a fork. Spatula. I flip pancakes with the spatula. Plate. The plate is full of food. Bowl. The bowl is filled with salad. Tray. I carry the food on a tray. Pan. I fry eggs in the pan. Peeler. I use a peeler to peel the potato. Grater. I grated carrots with the grater. Ladle. The ladle is for serving soup. Whisk. I use a whisk to beat eggs. Glass. I drink water from a glass. Stove. I cook on the stove. Toaster. I use a toaster to toast bread. Sink. I wash the dishes in the sink. Cupboard. I put the plates in the cupboard. Pot. The pot is on the stove. Plastic wrap. I use plastic wrap to keep food fresh. Tongs. I use tongs to pick up hot food. Colander. I use a colander to drain pasta. Apron. I wear an apron while cooking. Rolling pin. I use a rolling pin to roll out dough. Oven mitt. Oven mitts protect your hands.